Welcome again, guys. 100% use disk after update. So how to fix this problem? So guys, in Windows 10 and 11, click to start button, type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Yes. So type chkdhk c/f/r/x and then enter. So then why? Check the next time the system restart for yes. And guys, restart your system. Some booting cleared in your and checking bugged. Okay, so that's it. So please wait and then restart. Now I am giving you then second steps. Okay, and then guys, second step after restart, open Windows Explorer, right click to this PC and more and manage. And click to driver manager. So guys, this command standard SATA AHCS, right click to uninstall. Yes. Okay, no. Okay, and then close. Now third step, and then guys, fourth step, disable high net file. So type cmd and all command I will give in description, so you just copy and paste and type and then enter. Okay, so again close this, finish this problems. And then guys, disable your temp file. Windows R percentage temp percentage, then enter. Select all and shift delete and then yes. Check again, check, skip. Okay, then close and disable your antivirus. Okay, so disable your antivirus, otherwise you just you using my McAfee, so please 100% you disable, because many problems in this McAfee. Okay, guys, you check, then restart your system and then check your task manager. If you don't using any software, like you close all task manager in software to check 15 disk, and this is normal. So you guys check and restart your system. Okay.